Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. Tejpal faces a testing Monday, undergoes spree of medical test including potency test, requests JMFC for a fan in police custody. New terminal at Daboli opens on Wednesday. Navy will cooperate in Daboli expansion, says Movin. Politicos start claiming credit for terminal. Dual citizenship issue, Churchill calls CM Parrikar a fraud. Government failed to act against MLA Kaitu Silva, says Churchill. Kudbona Boat Owners Development Union demands to run Margao SGPDA wholesale fish market, serves an ultimatum of 15 days to CM. And Goa boys are improving, says coach Nuan Zoysa. Former Sri Lankan bowler hopes Goa can carry on winning habit into Assam. Now the news in detail. Accused Tarun Tejpal is undergoing series of medical tests. He was taken for sexual potency test on Monday at the GMC and later to IPHB for psychiatric test. Sources claim Crime Branch Police will take Tejpal to the scene of offence on Tuesday. Meanwhile, Panaji court has reserved the verdict for Wednesday on Tejpal's plea, demanding installation of fan in police custody.
Goa police are leaving no stone unturned. Main accused in the Tehelka sex assault case, Tarun Tejpal underwent series of medical examinations on Monday. Police want to build a watertight case, hence they are taking Tejpal to every possible medical test. Tejpal was transported to GMC from his cell at 9 on Monday morning. Tejpal underwent sexual potency test. Sources claim that the result of the sexual potency test is positive. Later, Tejpal had to undergo X-ray test, blood test, elbow and knee test. Lunch was at Crime Branch for Tejpal. He was taken to IPHB Bambolim from Crime Branch. His IPHB examination culminated within 1 hour from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. His entire Monday was spent in GMC. Tejpal's all test results are normal. Police will take Tejpal to the scene of offence on Tuesday at Grand Hyatt Hotel to know the minutest detail of what exactly happened on 7th and 8th November. Sources claim that 3 journalists from Tehelka will depose before judicial magistrate to corroborate victims' claim. Later, interrogation of Tehelka's former managing editor will begin. Shoma might face charges in FIR for suppressing victims' complaint at initial stage. But all this will begin only after Tejpal's interrogation ends. Meanwhile, Tejpal has asked for a fan in his cell. He had applied for it in the JMFC court on Tuesday. Court will issue its order on Wednesday. On the other side, BJP national spokesperson is facing trouble. NSUI has lodged a complaint against Meenakshi Lekhi at Crime Branch. NSUI has demanded Lekhi's arrest for revealing victim's identity in a tweet. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Congress leaders have started claiming credit for upgraded Daboli terminal. New terminal of Daboli Airport is all set for soft inauguration on 3rd December. Local MLA said that Airport Authority and Navy's land exchange policy will boost Daboli's expansion plans. Navy will release sufficient land.
The airport is being inaugurated by Ajit Singh, Union Civil Aviation Minister. Function is presided by Honorable Chief Minister, and Minister of State for Civil Aviation also will be there, along with various other dignitaries also, including me as the local MLA will be there.
Movin said Navy will cooperate in Daboli expansion plans.
Airport Authority and Navy, exchange of land. Inga Dabolim तशे even आणि 2 कोडेन जाता, 1 कोडेन विशाखापट्टणम ते exchange करता. म्हणजे हांगाय आमकां माय जमीन आणि नेव्ही रिलीज करतले. जेदा जो सदा नेव्हीचेरूय आरोप येतालो, नेव्ही कोऑपरेट जायना, नेव्ही हेल्प करना, नेव्ही एअरपोर्ट ऑथॉरिटी नाका, एअरपोर्ट नाका, हे हे आदले उलोवपाचें आसा तें हें बंद जातलें आनी आमकां जाय तितलो लँडूय मेळटलो एक्सपान्शनाक.
11 aero bridges at Daboli will curb parking problems.
एरो ब्रिज आज तरी 4 चालू जाता आनी 5वे एक म्हयन्या भितर जाता म्हणजे 5 एरो ब्रिज चालू जाता. ओल्ड टर्मिनल बिल्डिंग डेमोलिश केले म्हणटच थिंगा आनी 4 एरो ब्रिज येता म्हणजे कितले जाले ते 5 आनी हिंगा आनी 4 9 एरो ब्रिज मे बी अनदर एडिशनल 2 टोटल 11 एरो ब्रिजीस. हें कितें दाखोवन दिता की डबोलीम एअरपोर्ट उरता म्हूण इतलें काम चलता न्ही.
Movin slammed leaders for using MOPA and MOI issue for political benefits.
अजूनही लोक मराठी मागपाक सोडू ना. हेजो अर्थ हे न्ही की आमी झगडपा जाय भाशेचेर. हेच भाशेन एअरपोर्टाचेर आमी अशें डिविजन लोकां मदें हाडया नाका. हें पयलें प्रत्येक लिडरान चिंतपाक जाय. ना एअरपोर्टाचेरूय डिविजन हाडपाक सोदता, एअरपोर्टाचेरूय फूट घालपाक सोदता. फॉर डबोलीम एगेन्स्ट डबोलीम, फॉर मोरपा एगेन्स्ट घेवपाची गरजूच ना. मोपा सद्याचो प्रश्नूच येना. सद्या मोपाचो जेन्ना न्यू इनॉग्रेशन जाता न्यू एअरपोर्ट टर्मिनल आनी न्यू डबोलीम एअरपोर्ट.
Meanwhile, Kurtari MLA wants the stalls at Daboli terminal to be allotted to the locals.
I want to congratulate the Civil Aviation Ministry of the Congress-led UPA government for tripling the passenger capacity of Goa's heartthrob, that is the Daboli airport, to 9.5 million passengers per year. I think we have to thank Dr. Wilfred D'Souza. When he was the Deputy CM, he negotiated one of the deals of the Navy land. Parikar gode ekadi IIT जायत. हांव इंजिनियरूय न्ही पूण हांव परिकरा चॅलेंज मारता की the new terminal in fact can take even 12 million passengers. आमकां 3 MP आहाय गोंयांत that आतां न्यू टर्मिनल जाता. 3 तरी हुंय न्यू आमगे कावंटर जाता, न्यू इटेबल कावंटर जाता, शॉप जाता. गोंयकारांकूय हें करपाक एकोमोडेट करपाक विसरना अशा म्हगे रिक्वेस्ट तांकां.
Goa's Home Minister Manohar Parrikar is fraud and not the Union Home Minister. This allegation comes from former Minister Churchill Alimau. He is annoyed with the government as it did not act against MLA Kaitu Silva for dual citizenship. He has demanded that both the MLAs, Glenn Tiklo and Kaitu Silva, should be expelled from the 40 members Legislative Assembly.
And jenna Vajpayee government तरी पास कोता dual citizenship दिवपा जायना म्हणून जेन्ना हो गव्हर्मेंट आहा तो कोणाक खबर ना म्हाका वाजपेयी लोकांक याद होयना हो चीफ मिनिस्टर कोणाक खबर ना म्हाका. said you cannot be the candidate for the Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, legislative as house of the people or council of the state. Clear? वाजपेयी रुलिंग आहे हे मुगे रुलिंग न्हू. वाजपेयी रुलिंग आहा जेन्ना सेंट्रल रुलिंग आहा आनी हो चीफ मिनिस्टर पारीकार कितें सांगूंक सोदता आनी हो चीफ मिनिस्टर पळय रुलींग करता तेसो आनी रुलींग आतां संवसारा खंय जालो ना. आनी तो पळोवपाक गेलो जायत पोत तो मोइजेस म्हणटा तो तेकोडे पासपोर्ट आहा पुर्तुगेज आहा म्हूण तेजी FIR केली. आज पळय कोण कॉन्सुलार कोण रोजी म्हूण तेजी FIR केली. आनी जेन्ना मुगे एडवोकेट गेलो तेजी हेजे कायतूची FIR करपाक ती घेयना. हें राजकारण कसलें. हांव गोंयकारांचे कोणाचे कोंत्र न्हू. गोंयकारांक हेल्प करपी चर्चिल आलेमांव. हांव तुका सांगता गोंयकारांक त्रास घालना. हांव क्लियरली सांगता गोंयकारांक त्रास घालपी न्हू. जायते गोंयकारांक हांवें पासपोर्ट करून तुका हेल्प केला. कोण पोट भरपा खातीर ती पळय कोण पासपोर्ट करता ते कोणा आडायलें ना. ताका ती ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी पुर्तुगेजांनी दिल्या. कोर्टा आस रे कोर्टा आस पसून ताका फूल सद्याक हें दिल्लो प्रूफ दिल्लो न्हू तो हें म्हणून कोर्टाक जाता मागीर तेज्या म्हणून तांकां काडपा जाय ताणें. आज तांकां पेमेंट दिवपा जायना पब्लीक पयशे. पारीकार फ्रॉड जाल्यार केस कित्याक फ्रॉड जायना रे. पारीकार म्हणटा फ्रॉड मरे. Parikar is a fraud man. Parikar fraud as well. No, case is not fraud. Not home department is not fraud. This is my open challenge. This home minister is not central home minister is not fraud. Hello, main demand a dogoy मनशांक जे पुर्यान आलेकारा सारको मनीस स्पीकर आहा तो सारको मनीस जे उदक भायर उडोवपाक वयता पुसून बोट येयले म्हूण त्या मनशान हे दोगांयकय हावजांतले भायर दवरपाचे आनी तेणे मागीर ती बसपाची.
Meanwhile, Kaitu's matter will be heard on 6 January in Delhi High Court, and Valenka Alamau's petition against Kaitu will be heard on 13 December at Supreme Court. Samir Bhatt for Prudent.
Kudbona Boat Owners Development Union has reiterated their demand to allow them to run the Margaon SGPDA wholesale fish market. They have served an ultimatum of 15 days to CM or else have threatened to hit the streets. Unions claim that they do not want non-Goans to run the market. They also complain that some of the Goan MLAs support the non-Goans to run the market.
म्हाका दिसता की आमी लास्ट गव्हर्मेंट सीएमाकूय मेळ्ळे, सीएमान आमकां सांगलां की आपण सपोर्ट करता म्हणून एका टेंडराक. ताणें सांगलां फायल आपणाक धाड म्हणून. ती फायल सीएमान धाडले जाल्यार आमी नका अजून. हांव मागता सीएमाक आनी सगळे आमचे जे सावथा MLA आहाय जे PDA मेंबरूय आहाय तेमी आमकां हेल्प करपाक. एक्चुअली सारकें सांगपा म्हणल्यार हे डमी कॅन्डिडेट येताय गोंयचे आनी ही मार्केट घेताय आनी ते मागीर कर्नाटका कोणा एक मनशाक दिताय. फायनली मार्केट तो कर्नाटका कोण चलयता. आफ्टर 15 days वील गो बॅक टू PDA एंड वील कम ऑन द स्ट्रीट्स.
भायर लोकेन आम खूब त्रास करता आनी थोडेशे आमदार आहाय ते आम तेंका सपोर्ट करताय.
हांव कितें म्हणटा ही गोंयची इंडस्ट्री फिशरीज आम मेळोवपाक जाय गोंयकारांक. कित्याक आमगेली एकूच इंडस्ट्री आहा फिशिंगाची आनी कांय ना.
टेंडर डिफरन्स गेल्या त्या वर्साचो 1,05,000, ह्या वर्सा 2,05,000, 1 लाखा डिफरन्स आहा म्हयन्याक. म्हणजे दिसाक 3,500 PDA लॉस जाता डिले करता तितले. हे लॉस कित्याक म्हूण कोणाक लागून म्हूण घेताय, कित्याक लागून म्हूण आमकां पयशे दोत्ताय टेंडर दिनासतना. स्क्रुटिनी कितलो तेंपासून स्क्रुटिनी कोणाक हफ्ता दिवपाना कांय दिवपाना. फकत फूल अमावंट कितें आहा तो टेंडराचो आमी PDA दिवपा रेडी आहा. हे कोता येना म्हूण आमकां अशें डिले करता अशें म्हूण आमकां दिसता.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.